Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this Disaenvir portable electric cooktop has given me more cooking space in my kitchen. This has been so convenient for me to have. It plugs right into my wall and it heats up really well. I can move it around anywhere I want, and even though I do have the option to build it into a countertop later, I find it works really well with the included feet for using it right on my countertop. Sometimes I need extra foods cooking at the same time, so I really love the ease and flexibility that having this cooktop offers me. I found that it has done a great job with boiling, simmering, searing, anything that you use a regular stovetop for, this thing can handle. The smooth and shiny glass surface looks really nice, and it also means that any foods or oils that get on it are really easy to clean up. It feels very well made, solid, and durable to me. I love that it's compatible with all kinds of cookware, so I don't have to worry about it potentially ruining any of my pots or pans. I have been enjoying cooking all kinds of delicious meals using this electric cooktop, but that's just my point of view.